Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love tomatoes but feel like you don't have the time to grow them at home, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to grow big, succulent tomatoes with minimal effort. Let's get started. First things first, preparation. You'll need a few essential supplies, and I've got some tips to make the process easier and quicker. Host, voiceover. Here's what you'll need: tomato seedlings or seeds, large pots or containers with drainage holes, high-quality potting mix, tomato fertilizer, a watering can or a hose with a gentle spray nozzle, and mulch. Optional but helpful. When choosing a container, go for something at least 18 inches deep to accommodate the tomato roots. Make sure it has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Host. Use a high-quality potting mix designed for vegetables. This ensures your tomatoes get the nutrients they need right from the start. If you're starting from seeds, plant them according to the package instructions. If you're using seedlings, plant them slightly deeper than they were in their original pots. Now for the planting. If you're short on time, buying seedlings is a great way to speed up the process. Space them properly to ensure good air circulation, which helps prevent disease. Host, voiceover. Gently remove the seedlings from their pots and place them in the soil. Press the soil around the base to secure them in place. Water them thoroughly after planting. Host. Place your pots in a sunny location. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day to thrive. Once your tomatoes are planted, care and maintenance are key. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be time-consuming. Water your tomatoes regularly. The soil should be consistently moist but not waterlogged. During hot weather, you might need to water daily. A layer of mulch can help retain moisture and reduce the need for frequent watering. Feed your tomatoes with a tomato-specific fertilizer every 2 weeks. This helps promote healthy growth and big, juicy tomatoes. As your plants grow, they may need support. Use stakes or tomato cages to keep them upright. This not only saves space but also keeps the tomatoes off the ground, reducing the risk of rot. Finally, the best part, harvesting. When your tomatoes are bright red, or the color of the variety you planted, and firm, they're ready to pick. Gently twist and pull the tomatoes from the vine. Fresh, homegrown tomatoes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. And there you have it! Growing big, succulent tomatoes at home doesn't have to be time-consuming. With these simple tips, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!